nose, fucking hell. Right, get this all ready. Alright, get this. Alright. Right, that's all ready. Right, wicked stuff. It's all up and running. Wicked. I should go blow my nose and I'll be 2 seconds. 1 sec. What up, everyone? Wicked stuff. Welcome to the live stream over here. So we're gonna do some analysis and see what we can get. Oh, this is our beautiful trade yesterday, which we caught most of it on, which is delicious. But yeah, so we're gonna go through GJ over here, see what we're looking for. So let's get into it. Maybe just do an Instagram, and then we can get into this. I had a lovely sleep, man. It was gorgeous. Right, wicked stuff. So the daily time frame over here, bearish, kind of rejected this area over here. We've tried to tap it numerous times and still can't close above, so really big resistance. So beautiful stuff. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour time frame is bearish as well, coming down. Okay. Let's take a look on the lower time frames over here, on the 30 minutes, etc. So it looks like a lot of volume just came in over here. Let's take a look on the 15 minute. Okay, I can kind of see stuff here. So if you scroll to the left, you can see there is a little support right here, 149899, which is right where this is. Beautiful. So we haven't really closed below yet, solidly. Let me just send this up a bit. We haven't really closed below. We closed right on support, so that is okay. I think I would want a nice solid closure in this zone. You can see the past support was like up here. Had a nice little drop. So what I'm probably going to be wanting is a potential closure below 149, like 900 area in this zone, to then continue and fill this nice range. So I think that's what I'm going to be looking for over here. Let me just take a look on the 30 minute as well. Yeah, so 30 minute looks nice. Really strong closure. So yeah, potentially a 15 minute candle closing back down, as long as it doesn't, as long as it respects the high of the previous one here and closes in this zone, potentially to continue down. So looks pretty good, actually. Looks pretty good. So let me just get this. I'm going to be looking for sells below. So that was quite a hard, I think, place to try and put your sell lines and all that kind of stuff. So I'll take a look at some people's charts in a second. 91. Wicked stuff. That weekly flip is so tasty. Also, what about the 50-minute minor support at 840? Where, my boy? Here? Nah, that's okay. That's not too bad. That's just resistance. I mean, potentially With a lot of volume, we're grand. As long as we get past this here, I think we're good. Because there's clean candles here all the way down. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. I'd be happy with that, I think. Oh, so we haven't exceeded the low yet. It's got 8 minutes left. Whoa, this is looking nice, to be honest. Flipping the 15-minute nearly. Yeah, I'm probably going to wait for this closure, I think, just to give me that extra confirmation in the zone. The good thing is that this area is 25 pips. That's beautiful. Let me just take a look at news before we jump into any trades over here. Oh shit, can you guys not see me? Why is my fucking camera not working? Why is my camera... Can you guys not see me? Wait 1 second. Oh, for fuck's sake, why can you guys not see me? It's fine, your cam. Alright, you can see it. Alright. For some reason my OBS is just black. Oh, this is why. I have 2 OBSs running. There we go. Okay, wicked stuff. So yeah, it looks like we've got no news as well, which is good, promising. It means there's a lot easier trades to be taken. So I'm going to be waiting in 6 minutes time for a potential closure below. I think this could be nice. So let me just think about a signal over here. You know, really, really strong candles. As long as we get this nice closure back below, it's going to be decent. Max, why are you looking for that for a support if we have a clean candle to the left? Why are you looking that far? It's not that far, it's just to the left. You know, it was only like 3 days ago. I think this is the, well, even if you didn't look at this, you could just see this as kind of the support, and you have to wait for a closure below. I just like it because there was support here to this side. I think if you get a closure below, we should continue down. 25 pip zone here, tasty, man. GJ, do you trade GJ only or gold as well? I trade gold and GA as well. So let's take a look at gold. Let me just take a look at the higher time frames on GJ again. 1 second. Especially all the news going on with Boris and shit. Yeah, there's definitely not going to be any good news, I don't think. So let's just take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, you can see where the 4 hour's heading, can't you, really? So, very, very bearish. I'm not going to be taking it. And this is nice, you know, look at this 30-minute candle. It's got 20 minutes left. Let me just start recording. It's got 20 minutes left. This is potentially what's going to happen. You know, make the top wick now. And then get the drive down towards the end of the candle. That's what I'm going to try and take, I think. Or if you can't do it in this 20 minutes, then I may have to wait for the hourly. But yeah, so this week has been absolutely gorgeous. This week has been very, very promising. I've already made like 7.5% in 2 days, which is pretty tasty. So 4 minutes time. If price comes and exceeds the high over here, then I'm gonna have to wait for a candle again to then close like that. Next one, make the top wick, and then the drive. And then what that would be is that we flipping the 30-minute to continue. So I'm kind of basing this on the 30-minute right now. So let me just write out a little signal over here. So yeah, let's go. Let me just take a look at measurements as well. So if we get in like on the lows here, oh, nice. So you can get like a nice 10 pip stop on the high over here if we start flipping. That's a really good option. I like that. I like that. So if we get in, let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, like past here, like 870 would be nice for me, I think. So I always look sometimes on the 5 minute time frame just to see like if we break below here, it's probably going to come at least to here, and that means I can have myself to break even nearly. Sorry guys. How much you risk per trade? 1.4% on GJ and 0.7% on gold for like 10 pips. Yeah, man. So let's take a look. 959. So if we break below over here, easy. Nice clean candles. You know, we love it when we got clean candles. It's delicious. And if we break below these lows, you could fill this wick, which would be 361. I'll just say 400. Wicked. 2 minutes left. What's the candle doing already? Kind of rejecting. So looking at on the 30-minute now. 17 minutes left. Perfect time to stop flipping and pushing down. Looking at the 5-minute, we're coming down over here. So potentially now I'm going to be entering a sell stop right around this area. Let me just get this over here. Let's just take a look over here. So this is based on the 30-minute. Actually, don't have on 870. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna have a bit lower, 860. Let me move that over here. Let me just move it over here. Beautiful. Yeah, so I think if we do now, look what's happening now. The 30 minutes starting to flip again. We've made the high, and we should continue bearish over here, filling up this range. So, yeah, man. This 50-minute is closing. Look at the 5-minute though, rejecting that area really, really hard. So, nice. If I get in like around about 860, a nice 9 pip stop is beautiful. Yeah, I'll take a look and see where this closes though. You gotta check the gold fast. It's about to activate a buy trade. Ooh. Someone just got a buy trade. Doesn't really look like it's a buy trade over here. So let's just do an analysis on gold over here. I'm keeping an eye on GJ. I think actually this candle here may have closed bullish, but then still I'm kind of still happy with the salary play if you can see this low, to be honest. So I'm kind of happy to just keep that over here. It'll be a 30-minute pushing down, so I'm kind of happy with that. If it comes up any higher, then I'll just leave it and wait for the hourly to close, but we'll see, So yeah, that's my kind of basis on GJ over here. So gold over here, still in quite a bad zone, man. It's been a bad zone for quite a long time. I haven't taken many gold trades in a while, just because the zone for me is a bit nasty. Okay, 4-hour time frame. Kind of making some support on the 4 hours. Okay. Looking at on the lower time frames over here, very choppy. Don't like the price action really. However, you can see that the main resistance is here. Main resistance is here. Just looking at GG over here, we've had a strong candle, but oh, it hasn't made a top wick. Should I just wait for the hourly? That is the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna delete my sell stops here, guys. I'm gonna wait until the hourly. Yeah, I'm gonna delete them. I think that 50-minute candle for me was too strong. It's quite a strong candle. So I'm probably just gonna wait until this hourly closes, which is perfect for me. I like it when the hourly closes. It's a bit more confirmation. Anyway, I only take trades before the hourly when there's a really good setup. And because the 15's closed against me, it's not the best setup. So I'm a wait. So yeah, as I said, look what gold has done. Gold has not closed above, so there is absolutely no way you should be taking buys on gold right now. Look, none of the candles have closed above. If you took buys here, that's an impulse, you would have been slapped. If you took buys here, you would have been slapped. If you took buys here, you would have been slapped. If you took buys here, you would have been slapped. If you took buys here, you would have been slapped. It hasn't closed above the zone, which was made over here. You need to wait for a closure. So in 13 minutes time, if this 30-minute candle closes like this, then you're looking good to continue. But we haven't got a closure yet, so wait for that closure, man. Oh, GJ's going down now. Hasn't made a top wick though, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, this would be nice, but no top wick on the 15 would piss me off a bit. I know GJ's quite good with the top wicks, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the hourly. If it comes down here, though, we've still got a big room here, so I'm really not that asked. So yeah. Wait for London open. Exactly. You bought gold at 1783.7. Down here, beautiful. You should have stops to break even for sure. We've got another subscriber here. Thank you very much for subscribing. Welcome to the squad. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for closures above over here, and then for sells probably below. Probably below 1781. It's not the nicest for sells, really. It's not the nicest. Let's take a look at GA as well. I'm going to take a look at Telegram and Discord in a second. Just give me a sec. So let me take a look over here. What have people been doing in the group? Oh, that's good. What was that? Yeah. Could be nice selling to come on GJ. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Anyone take it? No top wick. Beautiful work. No top wick, so hard to take that trade. Gold closing above could be nice. See, so look at that. Beautiful. He's not saying I'm in gold buys. He says gold closure would be nice. That's what I'm looking for my students, you know. I want a closure above. I don't want to be taking any impulses. And you can see that, you know, it would have saved you. Tom Bailey looks like he's taking this trade over here. It still looks like it's going to pay off, which is good. But yeah, that 15-minute over here. Oh, you closed. Good lad, Tom. That's good effort. I think that's a good way of getting out there for sure. Oh, we've got another subscriber. Jeez. Another subscriber. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. All that good stuff. Let's take a look at GBP AUD, and then I'll do GU as well. I am paying attention to GJ though. Yeah. 10 minutes left. There's a lot of time to make a top wick. I'm definitely gonna leave it. And if people don't get that, I'll talk about that in a sec. But wow, yeah. So GA has been a big sell-off recently. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Check Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look in a second as well. But yeah, GA's been selling off, man. Damn. So green bulls over here looking for closures above. Beautiful analysis, really nice. Too close to open anyway. Yeah, exactly. Sells below. Yeah, potentially the sells are going to be a bit harder for gold, I think. For sure. GG idea. Sells below. Yeah, that'll look nice. That's what I'm looking for. And target will be 642. Yep. I think the world is waiting for the top wick to fill, brother. Everyone's waiting for it. Bro, Max is way too consistent not to show up. Ah, it's because I was a bit late today, yeah. Yeah, man, these sells are going to be good. These sells are going to be good. So, you know, what am I thinking about with these GJ sells over here? I first want this closure, so in 9 minutes time, you know, it could run off here and I'll be very, very annoyed. But then the hourly does have to make a top wick, so that's kind of why if you get in now, you'd have to hope it pushes in 8 minutes, because if it doesn't, the hourly is going to make a top wick over here and can really wick you out quite a lot. So like this. So you have to withstand the top wick first, and then the drive would be delicious. Down a shoot bite back in the zone, yeah. Nah, I think it's definitely going to come down. If we get this nice closure like here, so let me just get rid of this. If we get this nice closure in 8 minutes time, this is going to be delicious. So always try and print what you want to see. So I want this candle to close. Potentially there would be good. Next one makes an aggressive top wick up like this, and then we drive. That's what I want. Stop loss should be here if I can get it, and get in here. So very, very simple. Kamal Preet, where are you sending your chart? Because I can't see it. You can't send it on there. If it's the link, you have to wait. But yeah, like what I kind of tell people for this is make sure to kind of go through it, as in go through what the trade you're looking for, and let it come to you. You don't look for the trade should come to you, and then you know you're going to execute. Look at my gold idea. Okay, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look, and then I'll do GA and all that good stuff. It's nice, man. People are picking up. People are coming back to the streams before the holidays, which is good. Let's get rid of this. There we go. Oh, did you get into a trade? Or are you waiting? I think you're waiting for a closure, but yeah, for sure that'll be nice. I don't know what your stop loss is based on there, because it's not based on anything. It might be based on the 15. But yeah, to the target, 1791 is a good area of target for sure. And wicked, very, very simple and nice. So as I said, GA, big sell-off, okay? Big sell-off recently with all the stuff going on. I hope I can go on fucking holiday. I'll be very annoyed if not. Is this music loud today? Let's just take a look. Yes. There we go. So yeah, I'll be very, very annoyed if oh shit, if I can't go on holiday. Like, I've been waiting fucking years to go and get some sun on me. So looking at GA in the lower time frames, you know, where's the support, where's resistance? Well, you can kind of see at this level over here there was a support, and then we broke through it. Price came back up to it. Now, what's like the really, really interesting area here? Someone in Zoom highlight, you know when I say, oh, this is a really, really important area. Someone highlight it right now on this chart. What's a really, really key price thing that I always talk about in lots of charts where like you don't know if it's going to go up or down? Someone highlight for me. You know you guys can do it. I know you know where it is. In this chart, what do I say? You know, if this candle closes above, this candle closes above, where is this key level? Is it, you know, here? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Daily flip. Yes, well, it's close to there anyway, but just draw it. Someone annotate. Someone just draw a line. And I say it constantly because it's really, really important. Yes, beautiful, Michael. Beautiful. So, this happens a lot, right? This zone here, this happens on GJ a lot. It's such an important zone because price came below it. Now what's price doing? It's coming back above. If this candle closes above, it's rejecting this zone to then potentially come back into this zone. If price doesn't close above, so closes like what it's doing there, really weak and below the support, then it's really respecting this zone over here, not wanting to go into it to potentially continue back down if you get a bearish candle here, and then to ride it down. So this is such a key critical area here for sure. 4 minutes time on gold over here. Yeah, it looks like GJ. So if I was in this trade before, so just giving you a kind of context over here, guys. If I was in this trade before, I was gonna get in at 860, wasn't I? So now I'd have to think, you know, is my trade still valid with this hourly open, or should I just wait? And for me, I probably would just take this break even right now, maybe, because you know, what's likely to happen is this candle to open, make me a top wick over here, and then the drive. And, you know, trading is about, you know, the best trades is a trade that has no drawdown, okay? it's the best trade to have. If you have no drawdown, you have no, red on your screen, it's really good for your mentality. That's what Ted told me, it's no drawdown. So timing your trades properly. Like, for example, the past 2 days, right? The past 2 days in the mentorship group, we've had like 5 trades, all winners apart from one, which was a break-even trade. Every single one of them, the break-even trade even went to 6 pips straight away. Every single one of them trades has barely had any drawdown, like barely any, and the Zoom can vouch for me for that. Because our entries are, really on fleek. You have to get in at the perfect time. So yeah, your mentor is Ted. I wouldn't say mentor. I think just Ted and Raja. Just kind of, I just listened to them for 2 years, so kind of just picked up a lot of shit from them. But yeah. I used a lot of people, marking zones and charts was from Raja, how to get into entries was Ted, how to get into sell stops and buy stops and flips was like Controller, so a lot of people over here. So nice. So what are the things that could go wrong here? Price could just melt, fucking 20 pips and I missed the move. That sometimes happens. Tough shit. I'm waiting for this hourly to give me a lower. This is good as well. The hourly's closing below hourly support, which is nice to then come and fill this wick. So yeah. Let's take a look over here. Man, I think I have to use my time machine for January mentorship. Mate, so many people are going to join this January mentorship intake. Like, holy shit. I've got like fucking 70 people going, I'm joining. Also, shout out to one of my members over here who's made me the trading plan. So he goes, oh, I'm really good with PDFs. Yeah, look at this shit over here. I'll just give you a little taster. But really, really solid. So the daily schedule, what do we do in the morning? What things are we looking for? Blah, 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 blah. So very, very good. That'll be posted in the chat soon, which is good. Pushing down over here. Ah, man, it's pushing a lot. Fuck. Give me a chill pill, boy. So 30-minute closing. Just what I wanted the 30-minute to do. It's done it. But yeah, it was too close to the hourly. I'd rather just wait. Any chance you could share that plan? That is just for the mentorship group, my man. Sorry about that. I found you by watching Raja. Amazing. So yeah, everyone knows the score by now, how I trade. I'm waiting for this top wick. As long as you don't really exceed the high of the previous, we're good. And this is good because this will be on the flip here, which is around about 10 pips. So we'll see how much this pulls up. I hope it pulls up to at least like an 895 and then flip. But we'll have to see. Sometimes I do miss an occasional move where it just goes like this. But, I can't trade like that. I need my nice stop and my top wick to reject the highs, to continue down. Because look, the hourlies make top wicks. They make quite big top wicks, so I have to wait over here. Gold may also close. Yeah, not on this candle. Maybe the next one. Maybe the next one. So we've opened up over here. Please, for the love of God, push up. I'd love that. Oh, yes! Oh, mate. Push up higher. Push up higher. Come on, push up higher, boy. Ah, that's gonna go. It's gonna go. Yeah, oof. Yeah, probably gone over here. Probably missed it, not gonna lie. Wanted it to pull up a bit higher. Bit of a shame. Ah, man, I should have been in that bastard over there, man. That's annoying. Should have stayed with my gut, but oh well. And there you go. People who stayed in there here, congrats. And that should go down to TP1 pretty easy over here, 640. That's a shame. Very, very pissed off about that. Ah, I should have got in at 860, like I said. But anyway, who cares? And yeah, beautiful. So there you go. Come straight down to the target. Sometimes you can't get all the moves, so you just have to take it with a pinch of salt. I knew it was coming though. I just needed that top wick to push a bit higher up for me first, and then get the drive down. Unfortunately, it couldn't really give me that, and yeah, it has no wick. What are you on about? Yes, it does. It's there. I entered right when it flipped. Nice. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do, but I couldn't have changed the signal and shit. It's annoying that I have to write fucking signal. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. But anyway, ooh, look at GA. So the 50-minute closed back in, and it was like, hell no, we are not going anything down right time. Let's take a look at the hourly. 58 minutes left here. It hasn't closed above, which is rather annoying. Rather annoying. Oh, I'm so annoyed I couldn't get that fucking trade, man. That was an easy trade as well. People in it who got in on the flip here, stops to break even, I'd say. I think you should continue down. Why would you want this candle to flip? I wouldn't. For sure. And you're up like, you know, up like 6 pips, 5 pips. And yeah, if we get more of a top wick again up here, and then we drive back down, then maybe I'll enter it. But yeah, I doubt it'll come back up to there now. It's pretty solid. Clean candles to the left to 650. Pretty simple, boy. Took the 8 pips. Don't trust these wicks to the left. Beautiful, man. Congrats, congrats. Nah, I think these wicks are fine, really. I think it should happily just glide down here. There's a clean candle to the right, a clean candle to the left. This is alright. Still big, thick candles. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, for gold, I'm just going to be waiting in 12 minutes time for a closure above, potentially. That'll be what I'm wanting. And yeah. So look, there's sometimes, guys, like, I can't get into all trades. But that's fine. You know, missing a trade and stuff is really good to see how your discipline is. If you miss a trade and you're like, oh fuck, I need to re-enter, I need to enter now, like, because I don't want to miss it, like, that shows you maybe your emotional side is still there, and that needs to be sorted out. What rule do you have if there is no bottom wick on the 30-minute or the hourly? Like, just then on GJ, do you wait for a top wick and break of the low? Yeah, so like that setup there was peak of what I like. So, you know, you get a closure, you make the top wick, but unfortunately this top wick for me was just way too quick. Like, it was quite a nice length. I probably would have entered on this flip if it gave me more time, but the bastard just ran straight away. So came up over here. You know, now we've got a lot of things on our side, okay? Because we've closed below. The candles made the top wick of the hourly. We haven't made a lower wick. We know that candles make top wicks and lower wicks. So let me just move this over here like this. So it's made this top wick. If this then flips and exceeds the low, we're going to have the drive to come down. So that's why I like getting in like that. But yeah, what I wanted was this top wick to be forming in the first like 2 minutes. Then I can get my sell stop ready. But yeah, this thing just ran. But you know the score. That's exactly the trade setup we would take. So thank you very much for subscribing, Abraham. Stop loss is matter. Stop loss is matter, yes. Yeah, gold's still chilling. Don't get in early, man. Just wait until this presents itself. For sure, for sure. How about previous 30-minute candle has no wick? That does not matter anymore. So don't be affected with this, okay? When this candle closes here, no one gives a shit. It's the, you know, this is a very, very rare candle. This is like a, you know, a rare Pokemon, okay? This shit never happens. No top wick and no bottom wick, okay? But who gives a shit? Because the candle's closed now. It's the next candle we're thinking about. And then, you know, it doesn't matter about this candle. It's just closed. As long as it's not like the hourly. So if you go on the hourly over here, or the 30-minute. 30 minutes got a top wick, nice. The hourly over here, it's made a top wick here. So, yeah, it's fine. Even if previous candle has no wick. Yeah, previous candle doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's closed. Who gives a shit? It's the percentage probability when you're in the candle. When the candle closes, that's their probability. That's their, you know, there's no probability now. You know what it's got. So yeah. So people here should be coming to TP1 very, very soon. And there you go. Beautiful. So 10 pips for people who got in on the flip. Very, very jealous, but really, really good price action this week on GJ. And you can see why. So when there's news, when there's volume, when there's kind of like corona news, trades are much better. This is why last March we fucking drilled GJ and gold, because it was so easy to take trades. So yeah, just a nice bit of volume. So this compared to like 2 weeks ago, where price was so slow, you can see why you can just leave a week. You could just leave it. Ooh. Oh. 8 minutes time if we get a closure over here, potentially to continue bullish. 1786 to 1792 would be nice, like all the way up here. That would be good. That would be good. Do you trade news? I only trade news when I'm up quite a big percentage. Oh my god. What the fuck? My friends were out last night. They're all hanging. Hourly gold closed above. Just need lower time frame now. Did it? Did the hourly close? Not on there though. But yeah, I know what you mean. Here and here. That's fair. Yeah, I should wait for this 15. That's all I need. That's all I need. Hey, I lose on most of the good setups on gold in London session. Do you think it's because of less volume in the session compared to NY? Yes. Right. One thing I say, right? Gold never really, I mean it does like once or twice when there's a big news event. Gold never really breaks like the big high resistances. So if we're trading here, I don't mind taking gold trades here, okay? I think it has enough volume to do that, okay? But if you try and get into a trade breaking these highs, it never seems to do it. It never seems to do it. It needs the NY volume to break them. For some reason, it just happens. It just needs the NY. So if we were up here trying to take buys above, I would leave it because I just don't think London has enough volume for that. But this zone here, for sure, I can get out 10 pips. How do you determine your bias? You look at your 4 hour, you look at your daily time frame, you try and keep at least one of them on your side. Better to have both of them, and yeah, you just look for a nice closure below, a nice top wick, just like this beautiful trade here, but didn't give me enough time to get in. GJ sells after close 646. Yep, for sure. That is what I'll be looking for. So people asking for more GJ sells. Yep, if we get a closure below here, I think maybe. I really wanted to get in here though, because this for runners could be delicious. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna go off over here. So I'll pay attention to here. If we get a nice top wick up and then the drive, then potentially. So yeah. 5 minutes time for a closure. I want a nice closure. So 4 pip is a good wick. Yeah, 4 pip, 6 pip, anything around there, that's fine. 10 pip even. That's what I really want here. And I'll enter here with stop loss either here or here. We lost the gold too, I guess. How? How have we lost the gold? I fucking told you 15,000 times. Wait for the closure, fuckwit. Because if you get in before, you've lost money here, 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 here. You wait for a closure. I'm telling you. You can't get into gold and go, oh, well, but this time it ran off, Max. Well, yes, but also you would have been smacked on this time, this time, this time, this time, and this time. So, yeah, wow, you've made another 10 pips and you just lost 50. Who gives a shit? You have to be disciplined with that. Holy smokes, you guys are runners. Oh, I'm so jealous, man. That was such an obvious trade, but I just fucking couldn't get in quick enough. Annoying, man. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Thanks for all your knowledge. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. But yeah, 126 people here on a Thursday. Doing really, really well, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Yeah, our run weight this week has been very, very tasty. Very, very tasty. Nice, Tom. Tom got in on the first. This is the 5 minute? I think this is the 5 minute. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. So this is really, really good, right? So Tom, he got in a bit early, I think. 15 closed against him, he cut his losses. Just because, you know, if a 15 closes against you, it's not looking too good. He then re-enters, giving the trade a second chance, and now it's just paid off quite significantly. So, giving it a second chance is good, for sure. 10 pips done on GJ, my FOREX Fund phase 1. Beautiful! Well done, well done, no, well done. Amazing, congratulations guys for that. I'm very, very jealous. Look where it's tapped. Tapped 640, hasn't closed below, so for me I'm not taking the trades there, but it looks pretty good. But yeah, for people being greedy, you know, don't be holding this bitch on, right? As I say numerous times, take profits at an area which is sensible. Look to the left, you've got literal data from a day ago showing you that price comes down to here and has a struggle to continue down. This is 100% a period you should be taking any off. If you haven't taken any off when you hit 640 here, you're clearly trying to be greedy, and you can't be like that. You take your trades. If this then ran off like 20 pips here while you're trying to close, then that's good, but this is a time where you should be taking positions off. You know, you're up quite a big amount, around about 20 pips, so yeah. Congrats, Mosin. Yeah, we have had so many challenge passes in our group. It's amazing. 2 minutes time. Oh, look at that 5 minute, man. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute, boy. So, let's just take a look at the gold over here. 126 people all watching. Amazing stuff. Really, really good end to a year. Well done, man. Yeah, I'm very, very jealous of you guys. So look, so people who tried to get in early again, you've just been fucked in the ass again, and now you're in some drawdown and you're hoping, you're holding your balls like holy shit. Make sure you get back up over here. So you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. You have to wait for the closures. Even like a 5 minute closure strongly above, you could get that, but yeah, it looks like we struggled over here. Still got a minute left, but this 15 doesn't look like it's closing above, does it? Still may be able to, but we'll have to see. It's good that there's no news on today as well. I much prefer it with no news. It just makes it a lot easier. We just get every so often a little coronavirus boost. It's great. A little coronavirus. Yeah, boy. 80. Yeah, let's do 5.7. 1780, 1790, 1790, then 1792. Yeah, I'm just writing this out just in case things happen, but looks like it isn't. So look what GJ did over here, pulled up, but I did warn you. Look where the 5 minute closed, right on support. You know, support and resistance is very, very, you know, strong, man. Look at it. Came to exactly where it was before. So this is a really, really good learning lesson if you haven't taken any profits, okay? Because this is 100% guaranteed that you need to take profits there. Struggle with patience, but burnt so many times not waiting for closures above or below. You're very good with that, Max. Game changer. Yeah, man, because I was also there and I realized I'm not fucking losing any more money just because I'm trying to be greedy and getting early. So look, we didn't get a closure. So for me, I'm not going to be playing with no closures over here. Look at the 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame, it's exceeded the high, hasn't exceeded the low, but they're bearish. They're kind of holding the support. So yeah, there's nothing for me. Still got 44 minutes left. I'm still going to be waiting for a 15 closure above, but yeah. The 30-minute on gold could close above still. Yeah, also the 15 could as well. It's the same kind of time for that. I mean, this looks nice to potentially flip and fill it, but look at that 5 minute. That's a pretty strong candle. I wouldn't be messing with taking them. I think if you've missed this move here, you've missed the move, and you've got to take that on the chin. But what I really, really preach is, if you miss a move, you know, that's one day. Don't be like pissed off about that, because the next day you could have 3 moves. Like, we'll take a look at our yeah, like for example, if I got annoyed one day, like maybe yesterday, where I missed a trade or something and wanted to take more trades, then you won't get the gain. So this is my obviously the small account, which I do my social trader tools on. But let's just show you over here. Where is it? So custom period. We'll just do this month. Right, I need to mute someone over here. Someone's dialing. So we'll just do the last 3 days. I'll do Monday. So you know, this is what consistency looks like. Bear in mind, one GA trade, it should have been 10 pips here, but yeah. So this is how I do. I use a small time frames. I make beautiful trades. I get in with barely any drawdown, and you can see here I've had one loss at the start of the week, and then the rest are gains. Yesterday, you got a beautiful 20 pip trade on GJ, which I checked in my big account, and I was like, holy smokes, oh my god. You use Social Trader Max? Yeah. So I trade on my small account because it's fun and, like, you know, it's not bad. I don't have to look at the numbers, and then yeah, it just does it on my big one, which is great. But yes, can you see though? I mean, this one was a break even and ran to 6 pips. This one here ran to 10 pips. I pressed custom close on my magic keys, but realized GA was only set to take off 20% on my custom, so that was a bit annoying. And then yeah, yesterday's GJ trade, which caught on the NY. Ran to 23 pips, which was good. So see, all blue, and that's what it's going to be, man. You've got to be consistent with that, and then when you get it, you know, you can really start to use it and feel confident. So if you do like the week before, then there you go, blue, 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 couple yellow, couple red, sorry. So in the space of two weeks, I've had that was a break even, 1, 2. I've had 2 losses in 2 weeks. Fucking hell. So yeah, it's all about taking the positions that are really, really highly profitable. And then when anyone says, "Oh, well, how do you have an 80% win rate?" Well, there you go. And we could get the next week. I could literally do it all the way from when I started it. We'll do like to the 29th over here. Oh, I already did that one, but yeah, you get the point. And yeah. Hey, can you show us the trade you took during NY? Yes, I'll show you this trade. This trade was very, very nice, and I loved it. Oh, look at that. Did the flip and then came down. Beautiful. So, the GJ trade I took yesterday was here. So, I was looking on the 50-minute time frame. We came down over here, then started making some resistance. And then I got in at... What price did I get in? Let's take a look at the signal. I got in 682. So I got in on this 50-minute flip here, went after it made the top wick. So a short position here. We've closed below. I waited for the top wick. And I actually put it over here. Yeah, I have put it all over here. So really, really nice stop. I had like a nice 9 pip stop. And then we started... Oh, shit. Shit. There we go. And then we started flipping, continuing. I entered the trade. So what was I going to do in this? So can I really want to explain this. So at the start right here, right? We entered on this candle. Sorry, in this one when it made the top wick. I had my stop loss on above the previous because I can, you know. My stop... So my full stop... Oh, shit. No, it wasn't. It was on here. Wait, 689, 789. Oh yeah, sorry, it's on this current one. Doesn't matter. So it was a current stop here, which is 10 pips. And then when we started driving down over here, I was looking at it. It was around about 3-4 pips. Look at my phone. Look back at it, and this bitch is down here. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, close that shit. Press close custom on magic keys, like here. And yeah, it was nice. It was tasty. I knew it was gonna drop down pretty quick, and yeah, that passed like 3 people's challenges, which was good. Yeah, the mentorship chat went nuts. Everyone was like, fuck yeah. Yeah, because Finn, one of my members, Finn, he needed 1% to pass his phase 2, and I was like, so like, let's go back to it. Where is it? Oh yeah, no, it's Friday, my boy. Wax it. Friday. I think I said it over here. 1 second. We're doing it on Friday instead. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it on Friday after. So Friday, 10 p.m. Yeah, let's go back where that trade was. That was well funny. Yeah, look. So then I go. Yeah, so I go on this. I go. So Alex says, let's see, price is at a key level right now for 625. I say it looks good. Like 7 minutes later, I was like, it looks good, giving them like a hint, like we're gonna be going. And then I put the signal in. He said he got a bit of slippage. And then look, Finn goes, needs to push textbook trade. And then look at Finn. Yeah, motherfuckers. Yeah, motherfuckers. Holy shit. GG's. GG's. And then we got some W's in the chat. Yeah. Bet Finn was fucking buzzing with that. So yeah, really solid. 7 minutes time for this gold to close above. I'm just going to quickly go to the toilet, guys. And it won't be too long. So Finn passed. I got 33 pips in GG. Took partials at 10 pips and let my runner go for 33 pips. Nice. I took my full shit at 22 pips. That was beefy. Yeah, I had like 1.5k on my other one. I checked it. I was like, yes, that's a fucking good trade. Oh, smokes. Look at that wick down over here. Holy shit, how far did that go down? That was tasty. Oh, come on, gold, man. Gold is not wanting to go up. Hell no, hell no. So you can see that this is quite hard. I'm just waiting for a nice clean break. Yeah, it's a shame we missed that move, but what can you do? Can't get all of them, eh? Can't get all of them, eh? Max, have you checked Discord? Yeah, we'll take a look at Discord again over here. We've got 577 members. Nice. Hey mate, what is the name of the guy? Oh yeah, the Cooking with Cook. Cooking with Cook. The bagels. I've got a lot of people messaging me here. Shit, I need to check that out, man. I need to check that out. Also, I was thinking, guys, what do you guys want me to post on Instagram? Because I'm struggling, man. I'm struggling to find things to post. Like, I don't want to be the fucking stupid trader thing where you just post like cars and money, because it's just It's just not a good place to be. But I want to be able to grow, and like I feel like the only way to do that is fucking posting shit like that. So like I do like education shit, do recaps and stuff, do like that, but I don't know what else to post on it. Post loads of hot selfies, mate. Yeah, like I don't know what else to post. That I feel it's hard to keep with it. Maybe yeah, I'll have to see. Wow, GA really running off over here. Nice. Let me take a look at GU. Maybe just annotated trades. Yeah, so like this. I used to do that, to be fair. Like fucking I'm doing it in ages, like this. Yeah, maybe a bit more of them. EU and EJ, please. Nope. You send me a chart. You send me a chart, my man. And I'll take a look for you. Too quiet. What's too quiet? Make sure you like the stream, guys. 51 likes. I need to get back to them 100 like days, man. Yeah, we're chilling here though. Really, really good. Week it's been actually. Really, really solid price action. Let me take a look at GU over here. Fix your mic, bro. What? My mic's fucking fine. Hey Max, can fake outs happen on a higher time frames? Yeah, they can happen at all time frames for sure. For sure. So looking at GU over here, we are going to have the main direction is bearish. You can see pretty easily over here, can't you? Bearish. Take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish. The hourly is here. Nice. Let's take a look at the 30 minute, the 15. So now you can see where your zones are. Support is here, 1.31960. And then your resistance is 1.32144. Very, very simple. Max, on GA we missed back in the zone setup. Yeah, I know. I did think that. I was focusing on fucking GJ. But yeah, this is closure back in. You have the 4 hour with you. This was the trade setup. Take a look over here. Yeah. Look at that. Textbook, boy. Look what you have with the 4 hour and the daily. You come in, this closure here, wait for the low wick and then the push. It's because I was looking for fucking stupid gold, which it doesn't want to break. Now it's breaking below, boy. Check gold sells, please. No. I'm not taking trades in zones like this. I would clean candles like this. So for me, probably sells below 1781. You can post some breakdowns of your trades of both sessions on YouTube, like on Saturday of the whole week. Ah, yeah, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. That is a very, very good idea. Is there any way I can find your setup pictures? By joining the Mentorship is the only way to find them. For sure. So yeah, I mean potentially. So what am I waiting for now? I mean a closure below would be nice, but also if it's through NY, I'll also be looking for closures below there as well for sure. That would be nice. Let me just. I'm gonna make some more people over here. Who else has been here a long time? Can you show some of them when you got time? No. It's just support forming, resistance forming. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple, my man. Wow, yeah, I'm really, really annoyed about that GA trade. So gold is closed. Bearish over here. You have the 4 hour for bearish, but for me, this zone is not nice. This is barcode zone. I wanted to take trades in nice clean wicks, which is in this zone. So yeah. Lol, I just watched his videos. That's how I got good. Yes, man. Max, what do you think of Newcastle's first victory? Great, but they're still pretty goosed, aren't they? Like, Jesus Christ. Nice trousers, thank you. Yeah, they're not doing well, are they? They've got some big stuff to do. Like, imagine if they go to the championship and have all that money. That'd be mad. They probably would just pay the others to get them up. I'd probably do that, to be fair. So yeah, looks like Goldie boy here couldn't close above. Oh, why is this is Alex, by the way. Oh, you're Alex. Jeez, this is Alex, my boy. So yeah, that was the one move I saw. GA as well, but yeah, trying to, because you fuckwits keep on going in the gulag. Look at gold, look at gold. I've said it 15,000 times. Wait for a fucking closure, please. So next time we say look at gold, no, we're not looking at gold. I want to look at other things like GA with much better opportunities. Literally, I got 14 people going, look at gold, look at gold, look at gold, look at gold. Yeah, no closures, fuckwit, and now you've just lost like 70 pips. Max, what's your take on impulse trades? Very risky, very hard to manage. You can only do them on London Opens. That's my strategy with them. Or unless you've got a really, really nice entry with a good stop. But barely any. Max, do you use Trade Copier? Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Looking at GA then, whereas it came to, it's kind of tapped this resistance over here. So yeah, just playing in this zone. But that was the nice trade to get to these highs over here. So I would have probably got in on this flip here with stop loss below. So 12 pips, 23 pip gain. That was a nice one. Turkish lira was the trade of the year. Yeah, just dumped, didn't it? Wicks don't lie, that's why we must catch the wick. So yeah, now I'm looking, nothing really much for me now. It's a bit of a pain, but yeah, this is really, really good to show you discipline here. You know, if you miss this trade, you know, don't get in a bit earlier, later on. Just suck it up and grow up, and you know, you'll be fine. 30 minutes, got 25 minutes left. But yeah, I think if I got in now, I think it would be, yeah, not the best. Probably just leave it out over here. 10 minutes left for this 15 as well. I use social trader tools, my man. Social trader tools. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. And yeah, we're chilling on a Thursday. Oh fuck, my phone's gonna drop. Mate, I've been bashing Forza recently, man. I've got some nice cars on there now. My monitor makes it so nice. I've got it on like 160 hertz. It's smooth like butter. Let's take a look if there's any more streamers over here. Did Raja take any trades yesterday? Did Raja's trade yesterday actually? Did he take any trades? Let's take a look what Raja's been doing. Gold sells.
As we respect this high of the 15 price close, so
Let's take a look. Let's see if I actually agree with one of his trades. Let's take a look over here. This is the 5 minute, okay.
15-minute candle is also about to close, so I think it's better to wait for the 15-minute candle to close.
Okay, I like to hear that from Raja. I haven't heard that for fucking a while. Waiting for candle closures. Holy shit.
Pakistan, you're less strict. So as long as you respect this high, so here's the thing, right? as long as we respect this high on the 15-minute candle, there's a very good possibility for price to continue bearish.
Fucking hell, what's his spreads at? It looks quite big.
Alright.
So
Pound yen is just devastating. Alright.
So he doesn't really wait for a top wick. That's good though, but it's got a
Profit's
closure.
almost like-
How big was that? How big was that stop loss? Stop loss. That's all right. It's like a 16 pip stop.
Nothing in profit. Probably your parents, your mother, or your father, or well, some guys in you.
Did it go nicely? Oh my god, it's still in this trade. Holy shit. I hate being in gold for long. I finally did it. That's good then. Fucking hell, using that trade for ages. Oh no, only 10 minutes to be fair.
Ooh,
Wicked.
Look at that. 15 pips over here, $300. Right here. Right.
Beautiful, beautiful. Amazing work from Mr. Raja. Raja takes a lot of impulse moves. Yeah, you're telling me. God damn. God me. Let's take a sort of London streams over here. Oh, Luke is on.
It's on here.
Wow, he's got a lot of shit going on over here.
Play a dude's thing. Based upon the 15, you would probably even at a smaller stop. 16.
Yeah, I don't know how he trades. Oh, there's AA. He comes in here, I think, sometimes. So yeah, gold completely rejected them highs over here. It looks like GJ is coming up. So it had a bit of a push at the start, but it seems to be dying down. Man's trying to trade. But yeah, nothing really much going on now. We're just chilling. I'm still waiting for potential sells below 640. But to be honest, the more it plays around in here, that sells later on, either below 900 again if you come back below it, or at 650. That would be nice. As I say, this zone here for gold is pretty bad, man. I'd leave it out for sure. It's not the nicest. For sure, is not the nicest. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. You cars, what do you drive? What, on the Forza or in real life? Real life in S1. Forza, bro. I got some nice cars, man. Let's take a look at Telegram over here. Let's go back down to the low over here. Oh mate, my nose has been bad for like months now. I definitely need to go and sort that out. Need to try that garlic thing someone said. The garlic. When Raja moved to Pakistan, he tried London and like, he was like, fuck that. Yeah, I don't know why. London's fine, man. Like, I mean, there's some good moves, especially in GJ, but for gold, it's not that good. And he barely trades GJ anymore. Barely trades that anymore. So make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll be posting a video probably about not being greedy for zones today, and yeah, make sure to comment, because on the last day of trading, sorry, I'm going to be giving your magic keys away. So make sure to comment, and I'm going to pick one comment, random generator, on one of the posts to be winning the magic keys over here. To be fair, I have some lozenges. Oh, I've got one there. Yes. I've got my Star Wars mug if anyone's a bit of a nerd. Oh, mate, I can't wait for the bloody Book of Boba to come out, man. If people watch Clone Wars here, bro. I love Clone Wars. Clone Wars is sick. I am like the biggest nerd going with shit like that. Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Star Wars, I like all of them. EJ, check chart please. Nope, I don't trade EJ. You send me your chart please, and I'll take a look. Good luck on the trade. Thank you, my boy, Mr. GXTR. What do you think on German 30 sells? I'll take a look. Fuck it, we've got nothing else to do. German 30 sells. Let's take a look over here. Oh, how the fuck do you do it again? Oh, there. Star Trek? Nah, I'm not. I've never watched Star Trek. Don't know if it's good or like. I don't know if I'd like it or not. But no. Is this German 30? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at the hourly. Maybe you have like a stop though. 34 pip stop. Yeah, potentially. Have you watched Game of Thrones? I haven't actually watched Game of Thrones. The reason why I haven't, I was gonna watch it, and then everyone said the last season shit, so it's ruined it. So I'm like, nah, fuck that then. I won't watch it. Yeah, I never really got into. I was on holiday as well, with my dad, and he literally. The first episode I saw was the dragon coming to the wall, so I pretty much saw the best episode. So I was like, right, yeah, I've pretty much fucked that. He's watching it and I just sat next to him and was like, "What is this?" And he's like, "Oh, it's just Game of Thrones." And it was literally like the last episode. So yeah, I think potentially a closure below 15685. I think that would be nice to continue down for sure. I think that would be pretty solid, to be honest with you. So yeah, it looks like gold completely rejected these highs and came back to these lows over here. So yeah, I think now trading in this zone would be quite hard. I think potentially now you're gonna have to either wait for NY session below here. And if you're wanting buys, which I doubt you won't be getting buys today, to be honest, I wouldn't take buys, because if you get buys here, it's just really choppy. I'd be only looking for sells. Trying to look at it, so yeah, if we break below 640, we should come down to like 459 here. If we break 459, we should come down to these lows over here. So really nice targets for sure to continue. But yeah, as I say, prime example, wait and come to a zone where you can take profits. You know, normally we take it off like 10 to 15, but if there's some here, a really big zone to take profits there, you need to take them off for sure. Max, my on-screen magic keys on a winning streak since since day one? Jeez. Oh yeah, Jason. Wait, Jason, are you enjoying your magic keys, my man? So yeah, if people are new here, Jason and Brian over here in the YouTube win their magic keys. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, mate, the magic keys is like, I'm telling you, if you guys trade, like, you need them. Like, I'm not even. You can use my link. You don't have to use my link. I'm just saying you need them really badly, because there's just so much less effort. Thing is though, I'm looking and Raja, does Raja even use theirs? It is. It's because Raja doesn't do set trades, he just enters and fucking hopes. I don't even know if he uses them. I fucking love them though. I literally couldn't use them like without them now. Max, I have never lost with magic keys. Wow. Oh, maybe because I don't have it. So yeah, German 30, another 15 closure. But yeah, I'd probably wait for this 30 minute. I love it. It's very similar to my device. Also, it didn't have to change anything. Yeah, man, that's great. Raja Impulse Banks. Wow, they seem to work, man. He seems to obviously know what he's doing, but damn. I think he just has God on his side, because like sometimes he'll take like 4 losses and then the 1/5 trade it'd be like 100 pips. You're like, what? Like if I did that in like my mentorship, and they'd be like, right, we've already taken 4 trades and we've already lost like loads. Like let's just leave it. And then he just pulls it out of the bag, even though he preached for 2 years that you fucking, you know, take 1 or 2 trades a day. Like, I just, yeah, I don't really get that, to be honest. But your opinion on MT5 versus C-Trader? They're probably pretty similar. The only issue with C-Trader I have is it looks like a fucking astronaut's terminal. But it's because I'm not used to it. But as long as it works, and grand. But I would just use MetaTrader. Why would you need to use C-Trader? I just don't get it. Yeah, like what the fuck is this? Look at that. It looks like you're gonna fly to space or some shit. Like it's just not nice. Like I keep it clean, man. Keep it clean, boy. Do you live stream every day? Yeah, man. Yes, every single weekday I live stream. Every single weekday, and then through NY session I do it with the private members. So there's around about 80 of us who do it at NY session, which is pretty good. $10 pips and a 50 lot would change your life. Yeah, it's all relative, you know. It takes you time to get a lot to there. Takes a lot of time to get there. So 11 minutes time getting the hourly closure. Ooh, if this hourly closes bullish here, really respecting it, just like what this candle kind of did here. That doesn't mean there is no that doesn't mean there's buys, by the way. So yeah, don't you be trying to get in over here. But yeah, people in the mentorship, the psychology webinar is going to be done tomorrow at 10 AM. Yeah, it's going to be a good lesson for people who've been overtrading and stuff. We're going to go through all that for sure, for sure, for sure. MT5 looks like the first computer program. MT5 looks alright. It looks so good. Looks all good. Wow, so you can kind of see that the volume kicked in at 8 o'clock and then just kind of left at like 8:10. When this gold flipped over here, that was nice to come back down, but as I say, this range is not good. Thank you, Mustafa, for subscribing to the channel. We should be near hitting 2,000 now, man. But yeah, I think I'm probably going to be waiting for next session. The good thing is with this is we trade 2 sessions, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good with stuff like that. Oh, it's so close. 1,966. Sheesh. That's good. That's good. That's good. And yeah. I think my thing's lagging a bit. I see it, so don't worry. Don't worry. You don't have to tell me. I see it's lagging a bit. C-Trader has more indicators. Yeah, man. You don't need indicators, man. Ugh. Oh. There's absolutely no point of having indicators, I'm telling you. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave it off over here. What time is it now? Coming towards 9 o'clock. There's no way I'm taking any more trades now. Couldn't get a closure below 640 to continue. And gold just came down over here. GA, we missed that trade because I was looking at gold. But this is a really, really good reason of why you wait for candles to close, especially on gold here. Like, you can see, you have data next to you saying that I couldn't close above, so you need to be careful, stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys for coming on today. No trades for me, but there's just one trade idea that looked beautiful. Ran to TP straight away, but I couldn't get the entry that I wanted. But yeah, thank you very, very much, guys, for coming on, and I'll see you guys for NY. NY. Thank you very much, Zoom Squad. I'll see you for NY session. Peace out. Peace out.
See you, Maxi.
See you later, guys. Thank you very much, YouTube Squad. Thank you. I'll see you later. Peace out. Peace out. Make sure you like the stream before you go. And yeah, we'll see you later on. Peace out.